welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having us. Hi, President. How are you?
Let's see you again.
Good to see you again.
Welcome to Huawei.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Glad to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Huawei.
Scenario like in the high-speed railway, denser and the indoor environments.
So I think
to build up the fiber to the home, how about fiber to the building solution to adapt to these details. 4G can be one of the access. Bringing over connections and for smart appliances like the fridge, and we can keep our work with the whole industry chain to make it become mature, riding on a bike. But we are, since it's network to exchange things. Keep their eye on the performance of network and be corrupted by
深圳
yeah.
and Shanghai.
Shanghai.
And our own worker to express ourselves to Fijian government and this is the main focus.
Telecom service provider in the world.
谈一下行，各回同样走。